Alright guys, so obviously I don't need any introduction for this scooter. I know a couple of you have been waiting for this one, so without further ado, let's get this Cyclone Pro unboxed. So let's roll that intro, let's get straight into it. So I know it's been a long time going, guys, so I tried my best to get a hold of one of these earlier, but they just sold out before I could even get my hands on one. So let's try again for the second time. Got handy dandy Stanley knife. Let's go for it. All right. Oof. Box looks good. Oh yeah. Nicely packed in there. I'll grab you guys and bring you in. Very Dragon, looks very good. Very Dragon, very well packed in there. Nice hard Firestone. This color's looking really good. It reminds me of my Lightning so much. All right, so let's get this thing out. Where are we gonna start? Let's go here. Stem upright. Ooh, looks good. All right. Oh man, this thing looks good. All right, I'm gonna pull this out, guys. Pull it out of the box. So there, so you don't want me showing you that. But I'll quickly grab a shot of what it looks like inside the box before I pull that out. So guys, this is it inside the box. I've just stood the stem up there. I'll have to attach the bars, but a little bit later on. Yeah, you can see it here. It's all nicely sitting in there. You've got that beautiful Cyclone Pro tape deck there. I really, really like that. The color looks amazing. Lightning mudguard there. Lightning mudguard up the front. Oh man, this thing is looking beautiful. All right, I can't wait to get this out. So let's get it out. All right, guys. So that is it out of the box. Basically, the only thing we have to do is put the bars onto this little stem here using a 4mm Allen key to bolt the actual handlebars on. Apart from that, everything looks really, really good. Bit of Firestone they've put everywhere, but keys are sitting on here, so this is lockable. Beautiful hydraulic brake scene, Dragon. Looking forward to this a lot, guys. I'll tell you a little bit more about this and why it means so much to me, just a little bit, and for the channel as well. But we'll get into that more later on in the video, and you can see why I've been a little bit excited to get my hands on one of these. But without further ado, let's get these handlebars on and let's get this scooter looking a bit better. But before we move on to that, beautiful Dragon box that we get with it, which of course, if you've watched a couple of my videos by now, you'll definitely know that inside of here, we've got our charger brick inside. That's the other part of the charger cord. And we have a Dragon toolkit with all the Allen keys and stuff that we need to assemble and make small, minute tightenings across the whole scooter. Below those two, the charger brick and the tool, we've got our Dragon scooters, Lightning or our Cyclone and Cyclone Pro. That should give you a bit of a hint. User manual, so definitely read into that, guys. So there's our stem just there, guys. We're just gonna pull these out with, again, 4mm Allen key. We'll take all those screws out, all the Allen keys. We'll grab our handlebars, place them where we want them. Grab our little clamp from before with one Allen key in there just to get us started. Off the bolts and just hand tighten. We don't want to go berserk on it quite yet. Just to get them hand tight because we don't want to thread anything. Grab our other one. And now that this one's tight, we can now let go. Perfect. Now we can start getting into the adjustment, centerize everything, hand clamp. Now this is a trick from BMX days. You always go in a hex pattern, so you go across from the top, like that. So you can go from top left down to right bottom. And what that does is it just, when you're doing you're going cross pattern, you're evenly actually putting the pressure on and you're not gonna bend or snap or break anything. So a lot better for everything involved. All right, now, still need to check over everything. So check over our brakes. This needs to be tightened up, but this is still loose, of course. And our dual button and single button obviously needs to be tightened as well. And for our trigger, I'm just gonna use a 3mm and tighten down these ones. It's not too tight. The trick to this one is, what will happen is if you tighten it too much, you're gonna either thread the little bolts on the inside, as well as if you have a crash, this has a little bit of somewhere to go, so it takes a little bit of that impact. It's always a handy tip. So you want it a little bit thin, but a little bit stiff, but if you have a crash, it's not gonna damage this too much and will move. You guys know how much I love this, so I'm gonna get the mic nice and close to this one. Oh yes, love it. Ooh, I just spotted something else real quick that we might need to tear off. Oh yeah, nice. So there you go guys, the Cyclone Pro unboxed, how to put it together. Very simple, very easy to do from home. Now the reason why the Cyclone Pro is a little bit special to me and this channel is actually the name Cyclone was actually me. The Dragon themselves reached out to me on social media and said, hey, we've got a new scooter coming in, we just don't have a name for it. So Dragon actually approached me and asked me, and I said, well, we've already got the Lightning, and let's go along with that. I basically thought, well, going along with the Storm theme, let's call it the Cyclone, and being the grey colour that it is, it was very fitting. So, and this is the top of the range model with the hydraulic brakes, so Cyclone Pro. Very easy to roll off the tongue, very good looking scooter, and it was pretty cool. It's not every day you get to leave your own mark in the scooter community, let alone get the chance to actually name a product coming out. So definitely guys, smash that like button, jump up there, like and subscribe, whichever it is. And definitely if you are into this kind of content with these type of scooters, be sure to stick around and subscribe for the review on this scooter. But for now, ride safe out there guys, wear a helmet, and we'll see you all in the next one. Cheers.